Hello students, welcome to the next lecture. Let's start the another sum. Rucha and Julia are the partners sharing profit and losses in the capital ratio. See, the profit and sharing ratio is given in the capital ratio. So first we need to find out the capital ratio. Okay, so we have to see their capitals first. That is 80,000 and 40,000. So first we need to write the ratio. Find out the ratio. So capital ratio, that is Rucha is to Julie, which is given 80,000 is to 40,000. So simply we have to cut the zeros, so which is 8 is to 4. Now both the numbers are coming in a single table. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 twos are, so the ratio is 2 is to 1. Okay, let's continue the sum. The trial balance is given, some adjustments are given, we need to solve them. Okay. So by previously have been marked all the respective ledgers. Okay, let's start. To opening stock it is 89,500. Okay, next purchases. Okay, we have adjustment on purchases, that is 48,000 in the inner column. Do we have purchase return? Yes, we have purchase return, but in the adjustment we have been given that there is goods. Adjustment number 6, goods of 6,000 were purchased on credit, and credit sales of 6,000 were of 6,000, but no entry was found. Means we have been purchased 6,000 rupees goods and also sold them, but both the entries are not given, which means unrecorded purchases are there and unrecorded sales are there. Both are unrecorded, so we have to record them. Okay, so first we have to add the sales because it is unrecorded, right? So we have to add that unrecorded sales. Purchases first, that is 6,000. Okay, we have to add them, it is 54,000. Okay, next we have to less the purchase return. Purchase return is again 6,000. Okay, so the answer will be 48,000 again. Okay, next we have to write the sales by sales. Okay, sales is 1,48,000. As I told, there is unrecorded sales, so we have to add them, which is 6,000. So 1,48,000 plus 6,000, that is 1,54,000. We have to then less the sales return if there are any sales return. Let me check first. Sales return, it is 8,000. So you have to less this 8,000. Okay, less 8,000. The answer will be 1,46,000. Okay, next trade expenses. Trade expenses are trading and will come in trading account. So trade expenses, $3,000. Okay, so one more thing, the adjustment we have done, this and this will come in the asset and liability side both, because the unrecorded purchases means we have made the purchases, which means we have given the money, so we have to add them in the creditors, and the unrecorded sales, which means we have been made sales and we will receive the money, so we'll add them in the debtors also. So while writing them in the asset side, we'll add them. Okay, the next is salary. salary will come here. 2 salaries. Let's check whether any adjustment is there or not in salary. Okay, wages, debtors, motor car, which we withdraw. Okay, no, you have to write directly 4500. Next is wages and salaries. Wages and salaries will come here, the trading account. Wages and salaries, we have adjustment on it. Wages and salaries 2800. Adjustment was outstanding, which means we have to add them. Outstanding, so it will come 800 here. So 2800 plus 800 is 3600. Okay, now outstanding will come in liability side. Okay, so you have to leave 3 lines, 1 2 3, and write outstanding wages, which is 800. Okay, let's come back. Advertisement 2 years. Okay, so you have to so in last, like previous sum, advertisement, it is in the hidden adjustment. Advertisement has been paid for 2 years, that is 4000 rupees, which means we have to find out for 1 year. So advertisement which is given for 2 years, that is 4000. So for 1 year we have to find out. Okay, so simply we have to divide the 4000 by 2 years, which is 2000, which means for 1 year the answer is 2000 rupees, and we have extra paid 2000. Okay, so advertisement will come here to advertisement, which is 4000. We have to less the prepaid. Okay, which is 2000, and will come here. Another adjustment will come in the asset side, so you have to write prepaid advertisement, which is 2000. Okay, the next is sales it is done. Freehold property, it is asset. Okay, so you have to write in the asset side freehold property. Okay, freehold property, is there any adjustment? No, so you have to write directly freehold property, which was 23,000. Next, office rent. Office rent is an expense. So do you have any adjustment? No, we don't have any. So office rent is 5000, so directly 5000. Next is motor car. Motor car is an asset, so we have to write in the asset side motor car. And adjustment on motor car, that is 5%, so we have to depreciate by 5%. Depreciation at a rate 5%. The motor car was for 40,000. 40,000's 5% is 2000, so you have to less, and the answer will be 38,000. Okay, so as we are providing depreciation, the second adjustment curve in profit and loss account, so we will make an account of depreciation to depreciation account. The first we wrote was motor car, which was 2000. Okay, next, opening stock is done. General expenses will come in profit and loss account, so to general expenses is 2500. Next, sundry debtors. Okay, here comes the debtors. So debtors always comes in this side. So debtors is 62,000. As I told, in the sales one, we have to add the unrecorded sales first. So unrecorded sales, which was 6,000, so 62,000 plus 6,000, the answer is 68,000. Okay, then we have to provide the RDD and all the adjustments on. Okay, so we have to provide reserve for doubtful debts for 5%. Okay, only RDD is there, no bad debts are given, so we have to provide the RDD which is 5%. so RDD, okay, we have to write in bracket that new at the rate 5%. so 68,000 5% is 33,400. so you have to less 3,400 from this, and the answer is 64,600. 64,600. Now as we have created RDD, we have to write the formula which I have taught you. Okay, the formula was 2 old bad debts add new bad debts add new RDD. We have to add them and we have to less old RDD. So let's see we have any bad debts or not. Are there any bad debts? No bad debts. No new bad debts also. New RDD which we have created was 3,400. Okay, and we have our old RD, yes, that is 1,200. Okay, so we have to less them, and answer will be 3,400 minus 1,200 which is 2,200. Okay, sure. Next, segregate as in coal, gas and fuel. Coal, gas and fuel comes under trading account, so to coal, gas and fuel, the answer is 1,000 direct. Next is carriage inward, trading account to carriage inward, the answer is 800. Okay, next carriage outward. Carriage outward comes in profit and loss account, so to carriage outward, the answer is 1,300. Okay, yes. Okay, the next is plant and machinery, comes under asset side, so plant and machinery, okay, which is 13,800, as we have adjustment on it, which is we have to provide 7% depreciation, so less depreciation at the rate 7%. Okay, so 3,800 7% is 966. Now we have to less this 966. Okay, the answer is 12,834. 12,834. Okay, next the traveling's debit side is done. Now we'll go on this. The capital balances are given, so we'll write the capital balances. So by balance brought down, the they are 80,000 and 40,000. Okay, next sundry creditors, which will come in liability side, so we'll write there here creditors. The creditors were 22,000. As I told, we have to add the unrecorded sales, so we'll add the unrecorded purchases. So add unrecorded purchases, the answer was 6,000. Okay, we have to add that. Okay, so 22,000 plus 6,000 is 28,000, right? So 28,000. Okay, let's move forward. Sales is done, ordered is done. Bills payable. Okay, bills payable, which is 12,000. Okay, and purchase returns are done. Let's see, there are any adjustments left. Closing stock. So closing stock, there are two closing stocks. We have to take the smaller one. Okay, so closing stocks have two entry, one in asset side and one in trading account credit side. So closing stock 88,000 and the other will come here by closing stock 88,000. okay, and let's see second one. Okay, second adjustment is given ki Julie and Ruchi has taken goods, so they have made drawings. Okay, so first entry will come in the partners account. So debit side we will write 2 drawings, which is Ruchi has taken 3,000 and Julie has taken 2,000. okay, now this is an adjustment, so second entry will come in the trading account credit side. okay, so we have to write here buy goods taken for personal use. So we have to add this both total and write that. So 3,000 plus 2,000, that is 5,000. So we'll add here 5,000. okay, any other adjustment? Depreciation is done, RDD is done, outstanding wages is done, and the last adjustment is also done. So now we have to tally. Let's calculate. okay, we will see the credit side 1,46,000. oh wait, the depreciation which we have provided in the plant and machinery, we have to write this amount in the profit and loss account. So we'll add that first. okay, I have left the space, I remembered just now. Plant and machinery 9,600, so we have to add them both. So 2,000 plus 9,600 is 966, which is 2,966. Now we'll tally. okay, let's do it. okay, let's see on the calculator. 1,46,000 plus 88,000 plus 5,000. The answer is 2,39,000. okay, now we'll less the total from all these expenses. So less 89,500, less 48,000, less 3,000, less 3,600, less 1,000, and less 800. The answer we got is 93,100. So this is a profit. So we'll write 2 gross profit. Now we'll carry forward this amount here. So it will come by gross profit, that is 93,100. Now we do not have any credit entry, we just have only debit entries. So this total will be taken as in the total side. So we'll write 93,100, 93,100. Now we'll less all these expenses from this total. So 93,100 minus 4,500 minus 2,000 less 5,000 less 2,966 less 2,500 less 2,200 less 1,300. So the answer we got is 72,634. okay, now we have to distribute this profit, okay, into both the partners as we calculate the ratio. okay, so we have to distribute this profit in this ratio 2:1. okay, so we'll write first the name Julie Rucha, and here we got the profit, so it is net profit. So to net profit we'll distribute this. So 7,264. So the ratio is 2:1. So we'll add the 2:1, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we'll divide this amount with 3 first. So the first partner got is second partner, because the 1 ratio. So 24211, and the second partner will get 24211 into 2. The answer is 48,422. okay, yeah, similar. okay, now we'll give this both the profits in their respective profit and loss account. So by net profit, we'll write the amounts 48,422, 24,212. Now we'll close this. We'll do the total 80,000 plus 48,422. The answer is 1,28,422. We'll write in this side also. And let's total 40,000 plus 24,212 to 64,212. 64,212. Now we have to get the balances. So to balance carried down, we will less 3,000 from this total and less 2,000 from this total. So first we'll do this because I have this minus 2,000. So the Julie will get 62,212 and Rucha will get 1,25,412. Okay, so now we have to take this amount into the liability side. Okay, we'll first write the names here. Okay, partners capital account, first Rucha, next Julie. Okay, we will write the amount. The amount was 1,25,422 and the other was 62,212. Now we'll write the total of both, that is 1,87,634. Now we'll tally the balance sheet. Okay, let's see the liability side first. We got 2,28,434 here. Okay, yeah, and let's see the asset side. 2,000 plus 23,000 plus 30,000, 64,600, 12,834 and 88,000. We got the same answer. Okay, so 2,28,434. The sum is done.